Yamaha XSR700 is now coming to European Yamaha dealership, and we are very excited to see how this new machine can take a part in growing custom scene today. 6 years of JvB collaborations really helped us out to arrive where we are today, forming strong, unique factory motorcycle building philosophy. We call it Faster Són. That's the attitude, mixing up respect for the past but blending it with modern riding performance. Jens has been one of the biggest supporters of this new attitude, pushing Yamaha to break rules, go beyond boundaries, and for us it was very natural to ask him to present us second JvB collaboration based on this new XSR700. I think what we wanted to do with this XSR700 is as much as possible reducing to bare extension, so that we can provide kind of perfect neutral base to make any kind of concept out of it.
It's really great to be part of the yard build project again. The first yard build, the VMAX, was a huge success. You know, it really went through the wall. This bike, I didn't really want to build something as flashy and as spectacular. I just wanted to strip it down and get the essence and the feel that I got from the XSR engine and from the super handling chassis. And for me it feels really agile, really lightweight and really kind of powerful, you know?
That I like a lot about the bike is the fact that you can take off the rear subframe. So it's really easy to have a shorter tail. Just a couple of screws that you take off, and then you have the whole thing very clean, very simple.